Hello everyone. Today, more expressions on showing your concern. Why this topic? In our life, we come across many friends, relatives, people whom we like. So it is our moral responsibility, moral duty to have concern of such people. अपने रिश्तेदारों का ध्यान रखना, अपने मित्रों का ध्यान रखना, अपने आसपास के लोगों का ध्यान रखना, दैट कम्स अंडर अ मॉरल ड्यूटी, दैट कम्स अंडर मॉरल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. So how to express yourself showing your concern? It's very simple. There are many expressions and very simple to understand. At first, let me start with, are you all right? This is also a kind of concern when you ask someone, are you all right? So it is a kind of sentence that suits the person to whom you are asking this, to whom you are showing your concern. Next expression, what is the matter? This is also a kind of concern. When you ask what is the matter, positively, you have to ask this positively, not in angry mood, not in different mood. You have to stay positive, showing up concern with someone, right? So after what's the matter and already all right, the next one in the list is, why this long face? Why the long face? Sometime you visit your friends, your relatives, sometime in home also, your brothers, your sisters, वो मुंह लटका कर बैठते हैं because of something wrong happened or whatever. So in this case, you can show your concern. Why the long face? Right? Next, that you look a bit down. Sometimes you find people around you sad, maybe some failure in life, maybe some other thing. So you can show your concern by asking them, you are looking a bit down. सामने वाला सुनकर थोड़ा सा सूदिंग मूड पे आएगा, उसे थोड़ा सा अच्छा लगेगा, राइट? नेक्स्ट, what is getting you down? You are in some conversation with your friends, with your relatives, with your brothers, sisters, and you find that person is getting sad, fading, right? So you can ask by showing your concern with the sentence, what is getting you down? Next, is there anything I can do to help? You can offer your help. It is also a kind of showing your concern. Whether person need your help, he or she does not need your help. But sometime, not every time, sometime it is required to ask if you can do anything to help. Right? But by the same time, I would suggest you not to poke your nose in every matter. You have to understand whether showing concern is required at the situation or not. If you think it is required, you can ask, is there anything I can do to help? Right? Next in the list, though it is very common and useful, right? Do you need a shoulder to cry on? Right? Need not to translate this in Hindi because translation of this expression in Hindi may give you a wrong meaning कि मैं आपको कंधा दे सकता हूँ क्या रोने के लिए. नो, द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस सेंटेंस व्हेन यू आस्क समवन शोइंग योर कंसर्न, डू यू नीड अ शोल्डर टू क्राई ऑन, मीन्स क्या मैं आपके दुख में आपका साथ दे सकता हूँ, क्या मैं आपका दुख बांट सकता हूँ, राइट? सो इन इंग्लिश समटाइम it is asked in such a way, showing your concern, that do you need a shoulder to cry on. Today's last expression that I think you can do with a coffee. I think you can do with a tea, right? So this is to all our relatives, our brothers, our sister, even our parents, right? When you think that person is in off mood, he is not in good mood, थोड़े से वो परेशान हैं, थोड़े से वो दुखी हैं, right? But you know that what makes such person happy, such person delighted, and how can you soothe him? So sometimes it is asked that I think you can do with a cup of coffee, you can do with a cup of tea, right? So all these expressions today for showing your concern, use them in your speaking. That will boost your confidence. Why? Because expressions are indirect way of boosting confidence when you try to speak in English. With this, for today, goodbye.